Of course, to do the simplest things, you have to disassemble so very much. We're getting there, guys, step by step.
A few moments later.
To answer your question, this is as dodgy as it looks. I wouldn't usually do this, but there has been a delay in getting a battery for this bike. I just want to see if I can get some power to the odometer of the speedo, see if maybe it'll even turn over. But first we'll see if fuel spurts everywhere or whatnot. Well, now we know that the engine's not seized. She's turning over. Obviously I've got no fuel tank or anything plugged in, so I'm not expecting it to fire. I still want to change the oil and everything before I do try and start it. But it's a good sign after sitting for 3 years. It's a very good sign. Fingers crossed. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon I'll go get some fresh fuel, clean out the fuel tank, get all that connected back up.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
Prime the fuel. Excited, guys. Can't wait to put it back together and I can take it for a ride. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to follow the build. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode.